I think it's very important to look at mental health from the perspective of the hormonal way that, from the lens of hormones for women, because it starts with the whole idea of moody hai, PMS hai, ye hai, wo hai. So that is one time when mental health goes for a bit of a toss. You feel a little differently, you feel a little anxious. I have an 11-year-old, so I know that is a challenge. I might not remember when I first started my periods, but I do see her in front of myself. And then no one tells you about it, but perimenopause, menopause, and menopausal activities are also a huge thing. So a few of my friends have menopaused and they're talking about it, and it is something that nobody discusses, nobody talks about it. So to get an education on the right kind of supplements, on the right kind of tests that one needs to regularly do, whether it is pap smears, mammograms, bone density tests, all of those basic tests that we need to have, because having birthed children from the body, your calcium is depleted to a very, very huge level. So I think just taking those few hours every day and a few days every month and a few weeks every year for yourself, and giving that time to yourself to be able to adjust to the ever increasing demands on our life. I think that is what will give us some amount of, or a larger amount of happiness and peace and health. I have this mad cousin sister who I'll not name because I don't want to embarrass her. She's completely insane. So she menopaused, or had perimenopause and then menopause. So I asked her what's going on. She's saying, don't ask me, just don't ask me anything. I said, but what happened? Ande khatam ho gaye sare. So for a minute, I was like, what? Like, and then it hit me, and we all laughed. We laughed because the way she put it, such a fantastic sense of humor. And also what I feel from her experience, how she's dealt with it. She said to me very clearly, she said, am I always to be seen from the eyes of a man? That am I useful or not in some way or the other? If I am, useful as a daughter, then as a daughter-in-law, then wife, then whatever, but if I'm not an object for a vestibule for a child or past my reproductive age, that means that I have no value. That means that my sense of humor, my education, what I bring to work, my experience, just me, my soul, my life, my energy has no meaning. Is that what you're trying to say? Ande khatam ho gaye to kya hai? Aur to bahut kuch hai. So I was just thinking that that's such a fantastic way of approaching all of our woes, as Yuvika was saying, with a sense of humor. And if you can just put it across to yourself and to others and have a good laugh with the girlfriends and say, yeah, you know what, this happens too, ye bhi hota hai yaar, ye bhi it's a phase of life and this too will, move on or whatever, while of course taking care of the mental health aspect and the aspect of the physical aspects of it, from hormones and all of that.